2026. The atmosphere inside the luxury showroom is almost cinematic. Bright, glimmering lights caress the flawless surfaces of every machine. But at the heart of it all, commanding the entire space with its towering presence, stands the Patriot 380. It's not just a tractor, it's an engineering masterpiece that has shattered all traditional expectations. One glance at it, and you realize you're witnessing something entirely futuristic, something unseen till now. The body of the Patriot 380 gleams under the polished white lights, bathed in a soft halo that bounces off its smooth, cream-colored surface. Every curve, every edge, has been sculpted with an ultra-realistic precision, creating a design language that feels more akin to an armored luxury vehicle than a tractor. The oversized dimensions are immediately striking. The sheer height, the broad shoulders, the extended length, every proportion feels unapologetically bold. It doesn't just stand here, it dominates, like a modern colossus built for both strength and spectacle. Moving closer, the tires demand attention. These aren't ordinary tractor tires. These are oversized, military-inspired, chain-style tracks, designed to echo the strength of a tank. A single continuous chain stretches from the front tire all the way to the rear, rolling along meticulously crafted grooves, creating a unique scrolling effect that is absolutely mesmerizing. The metallic links of the chain glisten under the lights, polished to perfection, their rugged texture contrasting beautifully with the silky, smooth body finish. It's clear that the Patriot 380 isn't just built for looks. This is functional art, ready to conquer terrains others wouldn't dare touch. The showroom floor underneath it is a spotless mirror, reflecting the Patriot 380's mighty stance from below, doubling the visual drama. Around the tractor, large posters display the model name in bold, elegant fonts, accompanied by stunning action shots of the Patriot 380 in motion, plowing through uncharted landscapes with effortless grace. A quiet, fascinated crowd gathers. Nearby, whispering in awe, phones raised, trying to capture a machine that looks almost